right, my people, now welcome back to Football Mede Mede podcast with the Republicans. My name is Jovita AK, and of course, as usual, I know I can't come alone. I did here with Onokalo Nyebuchi, the Laba Master, UEFA B licensed coach, the Big Feet himself, and of course, Emmanuel Atta. They call him the most expensive, and they call him Atakata Abuo. Ona, welcome.
Why all this kind healing? Just tell us, just say UEFA, you call everything. You reach my turn, say you just only, you don't even put the most expensive.
You know here most expensive now.
It has with no hit. They will be stupid for life. So no issue.
All right, my people, without further ado, today na the D-Day where we go know who will carry the Europa League as far as Manchester United and of course Tottenham Hotspur they concerned. So we'll talk about these two sides. They know they're the best of forms for this season, but then they managed reach the Europa League final. And of course now today we go know who go come out tops at the end of the day. So we could start with Manchester United. Not so much a fantastic season, but for Europe, they get like 100% record as far as the day concerned. And now they don't need themselves for final where they go jam Tottenham Hotspur. How you feel say go down?
Well, I United know if you said for the Premier League they get bad season, fine. But for the competition, they maintain steeze and composure. You understand? They never lose any game. Now that part you go also look at. They don't play these finals, so they'll not be new to finals of this competition. And the people that they play with for this final, Tottenham Hotspur, you go say yes now people where they sabi each other. So if you walk in their way today, a lot of football fans across the globe no go dey surprised based on their pedigree for this particular competition.
All right, Buchibo could look at Ange Postecoglou and of course in Hotspur guys. We don't see how things they go with the team. Wunjo, the season not so good. So many wahala, Daniel Levy with his own wahala and all that. In fact, a part of all these problems make Hurricane comot. Unfortunately for him now, he don't win the German Bundesliga, the first ever title as far as in football career they concerned. But then Ange Postecoglou, a lot of people don't feel say if he failed to win this particular one, now he be say wahala day. Any hope for Tottenham Hotspur today?
Yes. The happiest thing we got about to me this year is Tottenham happy Manchester United. It's sweeter. It's so beautiful. Like I want, but their season they useless already. They have it very useless. So they, I mean, in 16th,
17th.
17. Now they're 17.
Just
17, 16. And they play
one
finals.
place ahead of people. We get relegation. But there's Tottenham Hotspur. Nobody they expect anything from them in the first place. That's the definition of being useless and being useful at the same time. So I don't care about them, honestly. What I care about is them beating United. That's the only thing. And Antonio can say he already went through in second season. He said it for the first time he took him. And this night, in good one.
And a lot of people say for the first time ever for inside European final, we see two teams with a very poor form throughout the whole season.
The worst final in this European final. The worst final.
Yes. Those people where they talk, they look am from the angle of the English Premier League. I know the reason say they follow the competition. If they follow the competition from beginning till this point where both teams they final, they're not going to talk like that because these two teams, they bring in their A games during the course of this competition. When I see how Manchester United do their comeback against the Olympic Lyon for the quarterfinal games. So no, these are not teams where you go right off. No be Premier League. They don't know say English League, for us to pursue top 4, top 5, you go hard. We go focus our energy. They fit get case for that angle too. You understand? And they go put all their energy for that same competition. If na league they compete like that, we go no say, but this one a competition, no say na knockout to final, knockout to win. And now they don't do final. So it depends on what people mean to say na pot form. But the final go still getting all the attributes of a football final. We go see banter. We go see seriousness, we go see argument, we go see drama, we go see tenacity into the game.
Tenacity.
Last time out, we see Man United lose to Chelsea 1-0. We see Spurs lose to Crystal Palace 2-0. These two sides, I mean, waiting go make the difference because two of them are the same boat then they.
They don't get Premier League is useless to them now, so then they put energy in it anymore because the winners of the final finals qualify for the Champions League.
Yes.
So these are where their eggs. They are two teams who don't struggle with injuries. So then the two weeks their players to Premier League. Premier League mentally they are done with Premier League, so they focus more on the finals. So I think the difference for these finals could be more of the managers. It is very crucial. Remember, they don't play 3 times this season. Spurs don't beat them 3 times. They beat the home and away Premier League. They come them up for the League Cup. Yeah. So then get my move button. because the managers they very, very different. Amorim is this huge, full gra, aggressive kind of manager. Why Ange is the pressing, athletic kind of managers. Two managers they play two different kind of football. But they're unique too in different ways. So the manager's hand used to say this evening, and I want Ange to win it. But Ange needs to win it. I just see if Man U win, I'll be very sad.
But whether Ange win or Amorim win, if you say their job, they safe.
Their job should never be safe. No. Let's be honest. You can't be that useless in the Premier League, expect yourself to be safe. No. You can't be that. Man, you say we are useless in the Premier League. You know what I mean when you are useless? They were so useless more than Emmanuel Atta. They were useless in the Premier League in different sense. For a club like Manchester United. For a club like Manchester United, their standard is high. Man, you did 17th or 16th.
16. Now Spurs.
We don't look at their table. Amorim don't lose 18 games. Or they lose 18 games in the Premier League. They are worse in the history of the Premier League. So it's crazy. So winning one match again, and the reason why these clubs, they're very lucky, Europa League, we say, most of the big boy champions, they don't step down. That's the reason why they did these finals. That's the irony or the bad thing about the champions, say the big boys, they step down. The last one, second or third place team, they always corner the Europa League. And most of the top teams, they always win the Europa League. So that they still get small teams. See, I don't care.
Amorim been talk something. He say he threatened to leave if this poor form continues. Let's assume say Man United do well for inside the Europa League final. You feel say it go change anything about their form?
Of course, it will change a lot of things about their form because they come into the mind, they come into this game with the mindset, say, if they win this game, they will compete with the big boys, the Tuesday and Wednesday games, Champions League next season. And now, to prepare for those games, they will get quality signing, they mentally prepared for the Champions League game because this is not a team where they 17 quality, we understand. So, psychologically, they don't be prepped already coming into the next season. So, no reasonable coach won't leave team. It's just like, you already... woman reach one stage, woman don't give you green light. You understand? So keep me meet somewhere. You know, can they pick up?
Why be saying a woman use the example?
No, be person use me, you do. I better pass person. They don't use me.
All right, well, look at the scoreline. You feel say after 90 minutes, somebody go Colombian, or you feel say we go to extra time, and if possible penalties.
Extra time.
Extra time.
Yeah, that must go end to two.
These two teams are useless. They can't go extra time. They are useless.
This is not final.
They get useless defense. League final, they get useless defense. Useless. They are useless. No, useless to the enter. Now tactical team we get to the defense by the enter. No, like 90 minutes.
So what if you say big go be the scoreline?
3-2 Tottenham Hotspur. Go enter. Go. Take your wife. Take your house. Go. This man, he show me die. Both teams score. After your unit. Your specialty. Go enter. You support me, go enter, right?
Oh yeah, you.
This game going to penalty. We no go
extra time, penalty.
It can never be penalty.
They go score 1-1 or 2-2 first half. Bro. First full 90 minutes.
3-2.
This game go decide.
Let's go.
All right, so I don't hear from Emmanuel and of course and I don't hear from Emmanuel and of course Buchi. How you feel say go end after 90 minutes, or if you say normal time, now everything go end, or you go enter extra time, or you go enter penalty? Make you let us know what you think about this one as they go down this very evening.